two things that you must have to properly solvent weld plastic pipe: ABS, PVC, CPVC. You must have a square cut on the end of the pipe, and you have to have a bevel on the end of the pipe. A 15-degree bevel is specific. If you just cut your pipe with a Sawzall, or you cut it with a tubing cutter, and you do not put the chamfer or bevel on the end of the pipe, when you stick a fitting on, it'll only go about a third to halfway in. When you put cement on there, you can get it to go the full way in, but you're going to plow off or snow plow off all the solvent cement that you need to make this weld properly. Reed DEB4 is designed specifically to put the appropriate bevel uniformly on the end of the pipe every time. DEB4 stands for deburring up to 4 inch. So the DEB4 will do 1.25 inch all the way up to 4-inch pipe. Put a 15-degree bevel on it. It is sprung, so it will snap on the end of the pipe properly. When you get into large diameter 3 or 4-inch pipe, we have a 1/2-inch drive, so that it's easier to turn the tool. Simply snaps onto the end of the pipe. As you rotate, you're taking off a 15-degree bevel on the end of the pipe. No burrs on it. Now, your dry fits will assemble exactly to where they're supposed to be. And you get proper solvent distribution on the inside of the fitting, so this weld will be stronger than the whole rest of the system.